Ramadan Mubarak to you guys. This is the first video in this Ramadan 2022. Today you will learn how to remove fence inside Photoshop. Before starting, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for never miss an update. So let's start it. Select Quick Selection tool. Then select the fence. Do it until it finished. After done, go to Select, Modify, Expand. Set the value 5 and hit OK. Go to Edit, Fill. All settings are default. Hit OK. And it's done. Press Ctrl+D to deselect the selection. It's look pretty, but it has some problem. Let's fix it. Select Patch tool. Select the damage area. And drag it to a good place. You can also use Content Hour tool where you need to use. Use Smudge tool to get back edges. This is the before, this is the after. In this way you can easily remove anything from your photos. Hope this video helpful for you. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.